Hello everyone. This video I will show you how we can create a free Microsoft Fabric account. So just search Microsoft Fabric and let's try to do the sign in. If I will enter my email ID here, now it is saying that enter your work address. So we have to create a work email ID, then only we will be able to use Microsoft Fabric for free. So for that we'll use a Zoho Mail. Let's click on the first link. Let's click on the personal email and let's create a username. So like Fabric free trial users, something like that. Let's create a password. I haven't received the OTP yet. Let's wait for the OTP to be sent by. Now I have received the OTP. So now we have our new email ID. So let's skip this one. So if I will click on new email, we can see we have the new email ID fabric free trial users at the rate zohomail.in. So now we'll again go back to fabric free trial. We'll use sign in with a work email at the rate zohomail.in. Use this for next. Got it from my organization. So the verification code we will receive on Zoho email. Let's check. Yeah. So there is the verification email, verification code. Next. Now, now we have this account here. Okay, 69 for the ID times term. Okay, let's try to do the sign in again. Microsoft Fabric. Sign in. We have to set up the authentication please. Let's set up the authentication. We have to use another email. So Sten, now we are able to sign into Microsoft Fabric free account. So let's cancel this. Now, if we click on here, we can see the option here free trial. So just click on free trial and click on activate. So now the Microsoft free trial will be activated. And if you see Power BI trial 59 days left, we can use all the components